suite, you have the trading floor on the top floor. Pretty self-explanatory. This is the kitchen diner, which is going to be great. Loads of light, good for filming. We're doing some podcasting here as well, which is going to be awesome. We've got the skylight, big doors, which is great. So plenty of light just flooding through. So we're really excited to get here, get some furniture and start making podcasts for you. Downstairs toilet. I haven't looked at this yet, to be honest. Let's have a look. Oh, pretty nice, clean, it's good. This room here is going to be the kids' room. I've got 3 kids. My oldest one's only 3, so you can imagine how many toys they got. So literally, I'm just going to lock them away in here. They can just do whatever they want. So that's going to be their kind of downstairs room, which will end up this moving all out into here. Toys are going to be everywhere, always is. Lounge. This is going to be like off limits for the kids. This is where me and my missus can just chill in the evenings once they've gone to bed. So we can get a nice TV in, nice big large sofa, and have a bit of like a cinematic room, something I've always wanted. Not big over projector, nothing like that. Just a nice sized TV, big comfy chairs. It's a place where we can just chill out in the evening and just unwind, have a few drinks, do whatever we want to do. That takes us through upstairs. Master bedroom, so this is going to be my room. Behind this room we've got the garden, which is quite nice, got the garden view. Keep an eye on the kids if they're out there, which is handy. We've got the ensuite through here, which is pretty cool. Decent, always handy to have an ensuite. Especially when you've got the kids, you kind of end up having like a family bathroom where all the kids bath toys and stuff are, and then you kind of got your own little personal shower room, which is always nice. So yeah, this is going to be my room. Coming through, this is going to be Grayson's room. He's my middle child, my son's. He's got a nice little room here, be ideal for him. He's not really at that age where he's playing in his room yet, so he doesn't need a huge room with loads of room. Like Cruz, my oldest, he's playing in his room a lot now, so he needs a bigger room. He's got more toys, he likes his own space. So we've decided to give Grayson this room. It's the smallest of the 5 rooms. Takes us through to the family bathroom. This is pretty much just the kids' bathroom. We've got a shower there as well, but as you know, kids don't have baths, don't have showers at their age, they're all too young. So this is going to be literally just caked in toys. There'll be loads of dinosaurs stuck on the wall. You can imagine what it's like. We'll have dinosaur space, sea animals, sharks, whales, everything you can think of. This is going to be my Rose room. That's my little girl. She's only 4 months old. So she's actually going to be at the front of the house. Perfect size room for her. I actually really like this room, even though it is one of the smaller ones. I love the windows. You see all the drive. Nice layout. She'll have her bed in there. She's got the rest of the room to have a bit of tummy time and stuff. You know what it's like with the kids. Build those neck muscles up. Going through now, we got Cruz's room. So this is basically mirror image to my room. So it's a pretty good size for him. But like I said, he has got more bigger toys. He likes his own time. He's trying to become a little bit more independent now. And he doesn't necessarily want to be playing downstairs where Grayson's grabbing his toys and stuff. He likes a bit of his own time. So this would be great for him. And he's got his own ensuite as well, which to be honest, won't really get used, but fucking handy for potty training. So he'll be in there, got his toilet. He won't be in the shower. He has a bath. So ideal for that. Hopefully I can get him to jump on the toilet on his own now. He's got his own one, which would be ideal. Then moving upstairs, forget about everything you've just seen. This is why I've got my house. This is going to be the new golden suite. We have the trading floor in here, which is going to be great. And it's surprisingly bigger than what I expected from looking at the photos before I viewed the house. So we've got this section around here. So we're going to have a kind of a bit of an area around here where we're going to have a bit of a YouTube studio for the videos and for the educational stuff. We're going to have a nice area built here, some really good lighting. We've got 2 skylights as well, so it's perfect for filming the education. It's a really, really good space. Then we're going to have desks coming across the back, which is going to be great. We're going to have, this is the trading floor. Then in the middle, nice big conference table, just for brainstorming, getting our ideas down. We're always looking at new strategies for trading. We're always putting ideas down. We're literally logging everything, so much information. So we have a nice big table in the middle, whiteboards everywhere on the walls, so please write stuff down. It's important that everything that we think of, we're always noting it down, because you think of something else and you forget the last thing you thought of. And one of those things that you think of could be that great idea, could be that great tip, could be that great strategy you've been searching for. So we always like writing loads of stuff down, so we've got plenty of space for that. To move over to this section, this is going to be exclusive to the Golden Suite, this section, and in terms of building on that education, because we've got the app dropping, we want everything to be the best it can be. So literally this is going to be primary focus, making the best content for the Golden Suite, the best education, best videos, best of everything. That being said, this is it. So I'm excited to get in, get the furniture in, and before my bed gets set up, this trading floor is going to be getting set up, the mat's going to be set up, the Wi-Fi is going to be hooked up, and we're going to be good to go. So don't forget to check back in for house tour number 2 once everything's kitted out, and I'll take you around again. You see exactly what we've turned this place into.